At first you will need to create layer. For layer give LA, enter, click on new layer, then give the name to the layer. Suppose I will use dotted. Click outside. I want to give some color. Click on this white, choose some color. Okay, then click on this continuous, click on load, then click inside the box, then type H for hidden, then click on OK, then select hidden. OK, then close the dialog box, then make dotted layer current, click on dotted, then create the line. Take the line command and create one line. I want it to be straight, enter. Now if you want to increase the gap between this line, then you will have to give LTS command. Type LTS, enter, then give the scale factor. If you increase the scale factor, the gap between lines will increase and size of dash will also increase. And if you want to reduce the size, then again give LTS. If you give smaller size, it will reduce the size. Suppose I want it to be larger, and here I want to place one more dotted line but of smaller sizes. You can also give layer command from here. Click on layer properties. I will create one more layer. Suppose I will say dot 1 or dot small. Then click on this hidden. Click on load. Click inside. Press H. Now here there are two more hidden lines are there. One is 0.5x. It will be smaller than the normal, and other is 2x. It will be larger than the normal. I want to create a smaller hidden line. I will choose this hidden 2. Okay, click on hidden 2. Okay, close the dialog box, make dot small current and create the line. Press enter. In this way you can create smaller or larger. And if you have existing line, suppose I have some line on 0 layer and I want to convert this line into larger dotted line. For that you will have to select the line, then click here and select the layer dotted and press escape. That's all. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.